probably incredibly hard to hear me. But I am in line, I'm waiting for the first car, which is going to be the McLaren. Yes, that's right.
Inside the cabin. But again, that's entirely up to you. If you want two of the same shots.
Oh, so the one in there is already going out.
Well, you could choose if you want it on the track or if you want it on you.
All right, so I'll do the same and then I'll have this one on me.
On you. You got it,
cool.
absolutely. So this right here is Mike. He'll be your instructor. I'm going to send Ryan, our photographer, right on over here, all right?
All right.
Here you are. Mike, Sean, Mike, grab Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Mike.
What's going on,
How's it
boss?
going?
Nice. Is that full Miami shirt?
Yeah, man, I can't, I'm trying everything possible to get tickets for next year.
I know, right? Hopefully they clean that place up before it goes down there.
Yeah, I mean, it's just been crazy the past year or so, you know?
I know, and why it's crazy. It's like Miami, not the shit, but what's going on, dude?
Hey, man.
Doing some fun.
Yeah.
He's racing. I love seeing Gasly on the podium, so he's good.
Yeah, man. And Vettel, oh my God,
that was also great.
That's what I wanted. I'm so glad it just came so early in the season.
Back.
Yeah,
no, I'm happy. My brother was the biggest Vettel fan, so he has a soft spot in my heart for sure. So with that said, Sean, we're gonna have some fun today. Hands at 10 and 2 for car control, and then we keep the car actually in second gear for balance. Especially with this track, we barely have enough room to even enjoy second. So, with that said, the harder you accelerate, the harder you brake. Can't stress that enough. At the end of that straightaway, we definitely want to feel those brakes. Gotta feel them. Want to feel them. Alrighty? With that said, my man, we can pretty much, oh, hold on. You come to this side, right next to that wheel. There we go. Alright. So, foot on the brake, please. Tap that paddle once towards you. Great. You can pull up to the track, but do not enter. So once you give it gas, it'll engage the clutches. Yep. Let me just get a gander on that Lamborghini. So stop the car. All right. In 3, 2, 1. You may enter the track. Nice. And then shift me in the second gear. The harder you accelerate, the harder you hit the brakes.
Right on this one too.
Oh yeah, all of them. Good. A little lift, good. Back on the power. And then attach the brakes, throw it in. Back on the power. Good. Just balance it with the power. Good. More power. More power. Power, power, power. Brake hard. Good. Throw it in there. Nice. Come a little wider next time. Power, 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 power. Brake hard. Really hard, really hard. That's what I want to feel, my man. That's it.
Yeah, this thing works, man.
That's it, baby.
If I had 400 grand, I'd be looking for one of these.
That's your 300. 300.
Oh, that's a steal.
That's it. That saved you 100 grand. was at 30%. I just saved you 30%. Good. Yes. And then brake hard. Good. Throw it in. There it is. Good. Balance, balance. More power on the up. Good. Power, power, power. Good. So on the next lap, come in a little wider. So it tightens up your exit. And then power, power, power. Brake really hard, really hard. Good.
I got one more, or is this it?
You have one more. Yes, sir.
Yeah, SK Lifestyle.
And bring it in.
Turn it around right there.
I got you. I'm going to take care of that, unfortunately. All the pandemonium over here.
No worries, man. Thanks.
No
I
worries.
appreciate you letting me push that.
No,
Got
bro.
the most out of that
That's
thing.
that's my job right there. I want to make sure you guys are having fun, keeping it safe.
Oh yeah. Look at that. McLaren, baby. SK Lifestyle. You already know. Look at that. Woo! SK Lifestyle.
Give you your card and stuff. Off.
Shout out to Mike.
Hey, he does some good driving. My man's over here.
And he's an F1 fan, so you already know. So that was a good time right there. I'm not gonna lie. We were pushing that McLaren. Hopefully it picked up on the camera. That engine sounds great. Yeah, that Porsche is nice too, but yeah, we were pushing. Those comments, like, share, SK Lifestyle. See you next time.
You ever driven something like this before? Yeah. That's the outro right there.
Yes, sir.
Hamilton fan. I was a Hamilton fan when he was on McLaren.
Yeah.
But obviously it's hard to root for a 7-time world champion. So I'm actually a Ricardo fan, but he's not doing too hot this year. So
Yeah, I feel like he'll pick it up.
but I have
halfway
a
through
bet.
the
I
year.
have a bet with the owner here, a handsome one, about who's going to take the world championship, and my money's on Max right now. So
I think it's possible.
It's good right now.
You saw Baku, right?
Oh yeah, that was great because I was
Two
like,
laps. That was the craziest 2 laps I've ever seen.
I was like, oh, there goes. He was, my boss was like, oh, there's my money. That's my money. And then I'm like, then Lewis crashed out, and I'm like, and it's on.
And that shit that Lewis never does. That shit he always capitalizes
You know why?
on.
Well, they say it's because of the magic button, but I think he was getting also very choked up, knowing this is his chance to take a heavy lead over Max.
And it's been a while since he's had that kind of real pressure.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
He hasn't had that real pressure in a minute. He's always been up by like 50, 60 points. So he's finally in a title chase, and it got to him. I was happy to see that. I was like, it's racing. I love seeing Gasly on the podium, so he's good.
Yeah, man. And Vettel, oh my God,
that was also great.
That's what I wanted. I'm so glad it just came so early in the season.
Back.
Yeah.
No, I'm happy. My brother was the biggest Vettel fan, so he has a soft spot in my heart for sure. So with that said, Sean, we're gonna have some fun today. Hands at